Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Marlton local and long-distance movers near me. Leaving your old place to move into another city or country is a bittersweet experience. Apart from dealing with the emotional roller coaster, you also have to deal with adjusting piles and piles of stuff into boxes. All you need to make your moving experience less stressful is a professional long-distance moving company. Our moving team at 3 Movers will help you move all your belongings safely, whether you're moving to another city, state, or abroad. We offer everything from packing, loading, transporting, to unloading your things at your new space. Our movers are experienced, reliable, and capable of handling any unexpected challenges along the way. We guarantee high-quality services on time for your every move, be it commercial or residential. 3 Movers will surely save your time and efforts on your local move. Our expert movers will do everything from packing and heavy lifting to unpacking all your things at your new place. You'll be free to enjoy your new place in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Marlton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.